Right, good morning children. This video is going to be very short. It's going to be about simple sentences, as you can see, just to help you with today's English lesson. If you have tackled today's English lesson and you're still a little bit unsure about the difference between the different types of sentences, then this video is for you. Let's start off with a simple sentence. So a simple sentence is one which contains a verb and usually a noun. It doesn't have to contain a noun, but usually it will contain a noun. So remember, let's try and think about what each of these things are. A verb is, now some of you will be saying it's a doing word or it's an action word or something like that, but really you ought to say a verb is something where you can change the tense. Okay, so for example, a word like window. Window isn't a verb because you can't change the tense. You can't make it past tense, windowed or windowing. That's just nonsense. But you can, if you think about a word like open, you can make open past tense because you can make it opened, and you can make it future tense. So for example, you could make it I will open. Okay, a noun usually will be something that you can either pick up or you can look at or you see, you can count them, those sorts of things. There are other types of nouns, but those are mainly the simple types of nouns. So a simple sentence basically is something's happening, what's happening, and who's it happening to. So it's always good to use animals in these sentences. So for example, let's think of a tiger. So the tiger was eating, and when we think about what the tiger could be eating, and let's say it's eating a rabbit. That's not very nice if you like rabbits, but there you go. So the tiger was eating a rabbit. Okay, so let's have a look through what the different parts of the sentence are. Well, was eating, this is the verb. Okay, so we've said that a simple sentence usually contains a verb, so that's the verb. We've said also that simple sentences contain a noun, so in this case there are two of them because there's one there and one just there. Okay, now just for interest, you don't have to know this for this particular lesson. Let's use a different color, so let's make it in green. So what kind of word is the? Well, the is an article, and is also an article as well. Okay, but that's just for added information. The main thing to know about a simple sentence is that it's a sentence which usually contains a verb, has to have a verb in it, and usually a noun, and that's all. Okay, right.